Hey food lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you've got a sweet tooth like me, you're in for a treat today. Let's dive into the whimsical world of unicorn-inspired desserts you absolutely need to try. First up, we've got the enchanting unicorn frappuccino. Now, you might have seen these magical drinks all over Instagram, but let me tell you, they taste as good as they look. Made with a blend of mango syrup, white chocolate mocha, and topped with whipped cream, it's a true rainbow in a cup. Next on our list, the unicorn cheesecake. Imagine a creamy, dreamy cheesecake with layers of pastel colors, topped with edible glitter. It's like a fairy tale on a plate, and the best part, the taste is just as magical as its appearance. Moving on, we have the unicorn macarons. These delicate French cookies are transformed into tiny unicorns, complete with a golden horn. Flavors range from classic vanilla to exotic lavender. Each bite is a burst of sweetness and joy. Now let's talk about the unicorn ice cream. This isn't your average scoop of ice cream, folks. With swirls of vibrant colors and sprinkles, it's like holding a piece of the rainbow in your hand. Perfect for cooling down on a hot summer day. Don't miss out on the unicorn donuts. These fluffy treats are adorned with colorful icing, sprinkles, and sometimes even marshmallows. They're almost too pretty to eat, but trust me, you'll want to take a big bite. Lastly, the unicorn cake. This showstopper is perfect for birthdays or any special occasion. Layers of pastel sponge cake, filled with creamy frosting and decorated with a majestic unicorn design. It's a dessert that promises to be the centerpiece of any celebration. So, there you have it, folks. A roundup of unicorn-inspired desserts that are as delightful to look at as they are to eat. If you haven't tried any of these yet, what are you waiting for? Head to your nearest bakery or get creative in your kitchen. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious content, and let me know in the comments which unicorn dessert you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.